All right, so our pan's nice and clean.
Look, Bobby did something right.
Delicious. Shut up.
Don't show his wife. She'll get mad because he actually cleans it a little bit at the shop.
So, I'm going to get ready to put this on. Get that done real quick. Get our pan on. And then Mr. Burns is going to do our output shaft seal, which is right here. Now we have the right one. Bada boom, bada bing. In and out done. Drive shaft back in real quick.
Bolt it in.
And then we just have to do fluids later in the week before we fire it up a drive.
We'll probably do it, well, sometime. Late morning tomorrow.
Yeah, we got to get the van done quick.
Yeah, late morning.
And we'll be back on this in late morning or even Wednesday morning. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how the flow of the day is.
Well, I mean, fluids is not that hard.
No, we'll do that. Scotty's got to do ignition switch and door locks. Easy peasy.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
God. What's going on over here, Bobby?
Pan's going on, last bolt.
Nice.
Snug that up and done.
Cool, cool, cool. Oh, God. Almost died.
Don't die.
Seal's out.
Nice. Where's your other one?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
It's not too shabby.
Yeah. I got a new one you're going to pop in.
Yep.
We'll be set.
Oh. Let's clean it off real quick.
Clean. Get this in.
Okay.
Oh,
Come on, still recording. All right, guys.
You're not tightening much on this pan.
No. It's a snug.
Yeah, that's why I use
It's not a torque.
And I just go like that.
Yeah.
Because if you go more than that,
You're going to snap the bolt inside or strip it out.
Bolt, smish the gasket.
And if you
Form the pan more than it already has been because people don't know how to do things.
like Bobby. I mean, just kidding, guys. All right. Well, I'll show you guys an update with the new seal on.
There you go.
All right. You good?
Good.
It's good. All right.
Solved.
Sweet.
Let's get that seal on.
All right.
The drive shaft on.
All right. Freshie's in. Freshie. Time for, where to go? Drive shaft. That bad boy in.
Are you going to stick his new shaft in?
I'm going to stick some, wait, what?
Huh?
Whose?
I don't know. I'm going to call Carson.
Okay, call Carson. All right, guys. That's a quick update. Sorry about that. Later. All right, guys. Last update of the video for today. Drive shaft's back in. Pinion seal's done. Axle seals are done. Transpan seal is done. Rear output shaft seal is done. Drive shaft's in. Happy camper. We'll just say either tomorrow or Wednesday morning, we'll be checking all the fluids, topping them all off. And Wednesday-ish. Late afternoon-ish, somewhere around. Yeah, maybe Thursday morning, worst case scenario. I'm okay, guys. It's hot, but all right, guys. Well, that's my last update video for today. Later.